In this video, you are going to learn about binary search along with its code and working animation. Without wasting time, let's go through the video. What is binary search? Binary search is a fast searching algorithm which works on the principle of divide and conquer. Binary search is used to find the position of a target value within a sorted array. It works until the target value is found or the interval is empty. Coming to the explanation of the code, in the first line we use the def keyword to define binary search function that takes these four as its parameters, where this represents the array and the target is the number which we are searching for, and these low and high are the indexes of the array. In the next line, it enters a while loop that continues as long as the low index is less than or equals to the high index. Inside the loop, for finding the middle element of the array, we use this formula and assign it to the mid variable. In the next line, we use if statement to check whether if the target value is equal to the middle element of the array or not. If it is equal, then the index of the middle element is returned to the code. If the target value is not equals to the middle element, then we check if the element at the middle index is less than the target and update the low index to mid plus 1 to search in the right half of the current range. Else, we update the high index to mid minus 1 to search in the left half of the current range, whether the value is either found in the right side or left side of the array. Then we go back to this step and repeat these steps until the target element is found or the search space is exhausted. If the value is not found in the array, then the search ends and we return this minus 1 to the code. Based on what we have discussed, let's see it in an animation. In this animation, we have taken an array of size 10 and the element to be searched is 2. We check the low is less than or equals to high, then we divide the array by using this formula. As the search element 2 is less than the mid, so this part of the code is executed and we are going to repeat these steps until the searching element is to be found. We again check whether the value is equals to the mid or not. As 3 is not equals to 2, again the steps execute. As we know, these steps executes until the target element is found or the search space is exhausted. So we again go to this step and we check as the mid is equals to target or not. As you can see, the mid is equals to the target element. We return this mid. Coming to the code, here the binary search function ends. And this is the code initialization part. Here we are assigning this list to this array and the target element as 4. We call this binary search function here and this code execute and the result, whether the element is found or not found, is stored in this result part. If the result is not equals to 1, then we print element is found at the index and result, else we print not found. Coming to the execution part of the code, here we are taking sorted array as an input. Here taking sorted array is necessary because binary search is specifically designed for searching in sorted data. If you want to search in unsorted data, then you need to use first sorting algorithms like merge sort and then you should use binary search on that data. Coming to the code, we are taking 4 as an target. Let's execute the code. Here as you can see, 4 is present at index C. Let's check it with a failed case. Here as you can see, the else part not found is executed because it is not present in the array. That's it for the today video. Thanks for watching.